Hello, this is our new BS10 ring scanner, which is basically one of our upgraded version of our previous ring scanner. And let's see the unboxing, what we are going to get in the box. One ring scanner. This is the new version. So this you can just flip it as per your convenience. So this is the new upgraded version, and the switch is in the side, and you have to wear like this. So let me wear it. You have to wear like this. And what we will get also one cable, and the best part is that we'll also going to get a protection cover with all the ring scanner. This is the protection cover. So let me put this protection cover over it, so that if you fall it from a very higher place also, so it will keep it safe. So I have put the protection cover also. So it is your choice whether you want to put the protection cover or not. So we are also going to get one what we call USB Bluetooth receiver also along with this. So it is option. It is as an option, but if you do not have any Bluetooth in your device, then you can also use it. So for that provision we have given it. So now let's check the performance. How is the performance of this particular scanner? So the ideal way to wear this is basically you need to just remove it and just put it tightly on your ring. Put it as a ring scanner. So the basic operation, you can wear something here for the data, or you can get the you can do the two-hand operation. And let's see the performance, how it's performed. So this is the basically one by one I'll start, and this is first. Let's scan so this is basically a 2D scan engine, and it can scan both 1D and 2D. So let's start with the 1D scanner. So I'm scanning the 1D. I'm scanning here. So this is 1D. So see, the distance is quite far, but it is still scanning in a better way. And these are some faded barcode. Let's see how it is scanning the faded barcodes. So these are some faded barcodes. So this barcodes also it is scanning very effectively. Can you please hold it and help me? So these are some faded barcodes. So scanning. So these are, you will also get a scenario where the barcode size is very long. So for longer barcode scan or barcode level also you can scan it effectively, very fast. So now let's check the QR code, how it is performing, scanning it is triggering both the scanners. And let's check some damaged QR codes, some data metrics, some damaged QR codes. These are some damaged QR codes, but it's still scanning very effectively. Let's at the end let's scan. Most of the 2D scanners do not scan this kind of dense barcode, the dense QR code, but this particular scanner can it is, you can see it is how handy this can also scan this kind of dense barcode. So see, this can scan the dense barcode also, and the best part is you can remove it. The range is good. You can just flip it. For example, you are going to scan here in separate region. You can scan it. So this is our new BS10 ring scanner model. Thank you.